Hi everybody, this is Terry and I'd like to welcome you to the Creative Angels drawing for the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. Now we already did the Sweet Pea Papers drawing and there were 340 something people, I believe. Oh, it's right over here. 346 in that drawing. Let's go back over here. And so we're going to see who the 5 winners of the 5 winners of the Junk Journal kits by LineDotArrow are going to be. Now, we use our randomizer, a random number generator, and we use our list from Excel that I make. And so, yeah, and you can see right in here, several people got their entries in all at once. And so they ended up with a big chunk of the names for that section. So sometimes that works and sometimes it doesn't work in your favor because you're not spread out, sprinkled out and around throughout the drawing. So we'll have to wait and see. You can only win once in each drawing, but you can win in more than one drawing. So you could win up to 3 Junk Journal kits if you won in each of the drawings for my 3 groups. Add in the other 3 groups and you could win 6 Junk Journal kits total if you won in each one of the drawings. So that's pretty good. Now, to win your prize or to claim your prize, when you get notified that you have a drawing in this video or a winner in this video, what you need to do is get a hold of Natalie at LineDotArrow at her Etsy shop, and the link will be below, of course, and let her know which kit or kits that you would like, which drawing or drawings you want in, and your email address so that she can email you a link so that you can download all the things that you want, and also the list of the kits or the kit or list of kits that you want. Okay, so you're going to add in your email address and what kits you want in the message, what kits, oh my gosh, what drawings you want in, okay? And I'm going to stop because I'm just making it confusing and it's very simple. So let's set the numbers here. Let's see. To 308 is our top number, and obviously 1's going to be our bottom number. And like I said, we're going to have 5 winners, each of 1 Junk Journal kit. Winner number 1 is number 136. I don't know why I'm looking in the 2s. Number 136 is Sandra Chanko. Congratulations, Sandra. Okay, let's go to the next winner. Winner number 2, Junk Journal drawing from LineDotArrow. Oh, it's number 1. There is a restriction on what you can win. I might as well mention this too. You cannot pick a bundle and you can't pick the next month's challenge kit. So if this is February, so you cannot pick March's kit or kits. In this case, there's going to be 4 as your freebie you're winning. Okay, I forgot to mention that in the Sweet Pea Papers drawing, so this goes for all of the drawings. Oh, we were going to number 1, Candy Boyer. And that's 2 winners. Number 3 is 98. And that's Daleen Berger. Okay, number 4 is 72. And that's going to be Corey Congdon. Then when we go back through, we're going to make sure I didn't pick anybody twice. Whoops. All right, and number 1. So we got 4 so far, so this is going to be number 5. And that's number 280. That was a pretty good spread. And number, 280, not 208. 280 is Beatrice. And why didn't it? It's so weird, Excel sometimes. Okay, so let's go back through. We have Beatrice. We had Sandra Chanko. We had Daleen Berger. We had Corey Congdon. Why does that name sound familiar? Okay. And we had Candy Boyer. Okay, so those are the winners for this month in the Creative Angels drawing. Wait a minute, Corey Congdon, Candy Boyer, okay. I want to double check now, or triple check. There's so many names that I didn't do a double because I don't want to have to go back and manually fix anything that I've done. I think that was it. Yep. Okay, so that's our 5 winners from the Junk Journal Tutorials and More group in our Creative Angels drawing for the month of February of 2025. Like I said, if you're a winner, get a hold of Natalie through her Etsy shop. Let her know what group that you won in, what kit or kits that you want from the different groups that you've won in, and your email address, and then she can send you the link to download your prizes, okay? All right, well, that's it for this video. We have one more video left, and that's going to be the Junk Journal and Papercrafts group. Okay, so stay tuned for that one and check it out in just 1 second.